Hello and welcome. In this video, we learn about charge density and find the charge density through nanodical software. I am Ujjwal Pratap Singh, an application engineer from Impulse Technology. When we talk about charge density basically refers to the how electrons are distributed in your system, like molecule, crystal, device, and help to understand chemical bonding, charge distribution and transfer, reactivity and stability, defect analysis, and device performance. In density function theory software like nanodecay, also called electron density, is a central concept because it serves as a fundamental quantity that DFT used to describe the electronic structure of material. In this video, we calculate charge density and differential charge density through charge density calculation. We can calculate differential charge density, and charge density refer to the how electrons are distributed in material like boron nitride. For this video, we take the example of boron nitride, which is a compound made of boron and nitrogen atom arranged in crystal structure, and the differential charge density basically give the difference between electron distribution between two systems, such as a total combined boron nitride structure with all atom and modified boron nitride structure where only boron system and other nitrogen system. And the difference help us understand how removing an atom affect the electron distribution, which is important for studying material property like bonding, conductivity, and reactivity. You can also see the mathematical differential charge density defined as total charge density minus isolated atom charge density. You can see also for the boron nitride system also. You can also see the differential charge density of boron nitride here. You can see our software provide advanced charge analysis by offering multiple projection options. This means user can visualize and interpret how electrons are distributed in system from different perspectives. You can see the word density function parameter like charge, total electron, rho, bond, redistributed, delta rho, and again delta rho, neutral atom, RNA, and rho Na. Charge parameter basically explain net charge distribution across atom or space and help to analyze charge transfer, polarization, and doping effect. Total electron basically visualize total electron density in the system and help to understand where electrons are localized or delocalized. Rho parameter basically explain ground state electron density directly from the DFT calculation because it is the fundamental quantity in DFT tell where electron live in real space. And the bond parameter basically explain indicate electron density between atoms, revealing chemical bonding and help to identify covalent ionic metallic bonding character. Distributed parameter explain charge redistribution compared to neutral atom and to see how bonding or external field change charge density. And the D row option basically give the difference between electron density difference between row system and the neutral atoms and highlight charge gain or loss upon bonding and visualizing polarization, interface effect or charge accumulation. And the delta row often smoothened or partial difference basically give the electronic rearrangement like dipole formation. Neutral atom parameter basically explain electron density from the non-interacting neutral atom and refer to the compute charge transfer. RNA parameter basically likely stand for real space atomic charge and the give partial charge on each atom. Rho Na basically possibly redefined or normalized rho per atom and Na rho basically inverse of rho Na and relate to the free charge density. And let's move to the device studio and import our material and simulate our result. Open the device studio. Here you can see it open the new icon. Let's create a new project. Click on OK and give name like differential charge. and click on save. You can see in the project with name differential charge, it will create a new project here. This is a GUI of Device Studio. You can see at the top section, you can see file. Go to the file and you can see import option. Let's import our boron nitride material file. Go to the import local. Our software provide wide range of material file. Our boron nitride is present in 3D material, then layer material. You can see boron nitride. Click on this and import. You can see the boron nitride structure. Move to the build option, redefine crystal and go for the face centered and click on preview to see before building. Click on build tab. You can see face centered boron nitride structure. Go to the simulator. Here you can see nanodecal and rescue simulator. Go for the nanodecal. In nanodecal, you can see SCF calculation. Click on this. It will open new window with name SCF calculation for crystal. Decrease the K point sampling like 8, 8, 8 for N1 and N2 and N3. And exchange correlation will be GGA and go with the default parameters. Same for the iteration control and the basis set also. In spin type, let's go for the no spin disk type and click on generate file. Here you can see it create the folder. In nanodecal crystals, SCF input files has been created through GUI. You can see the script by clicking and open with. You can see the script also. And if you want to change something, you can also change from here and click on save button after changing. SCF input file, click, right click and click on run option. Import the slum file here and click on save and then run. We can see the job status also of the SCF input file in running condition in job manager. You can see. Again, go to the simulator, then nanodecal and go for the analysis. In analysis, you can see electron density. Electron density in DFT also called charge density. You can see the watt density projection with the different parameter also like charge density, total electron, bond, redistributed, neutral atom. Let's go for the charge and click on generate file. In the project section, you can see it created the electron density input file. You can also see the script of electron density input file. Right click and click on open with. You can see the script of electron density input file. If you want to change something, you can change through the script also. And after change, you can click on the save icon and close this window. And let's run the electron density input file also. Right click and click on run. You can also see the electron density input file in queue condition in job manager. After completion of total boron nitride structure, now let's create boron structure only. First, copy the boron nitride structure. Right click and click on copy and give the name boron and click on OK. And move to the boron structure only. First, delete all nitrogen atom. You can see it is a nitrogen. Click on this and click on delete. Select all nitrogen atom with control and left click of the mouse. And here you can see delete icon. Click on delete. You can see only 4 atoms present, which is B4. In property section, you can also see B4 and total number of atom also. Again, move to the simulator, nanodecade, SCF calculation, and decrease the K point sampling like 8 for N1 and for N2 also 8 and for N3 also 8, and exchange correlation will be GGA, and iteration control default parameter, go with default parameters, basis sets, spin type, go with no spin, and click on generate file. Here you can see it created nanodecade K-step folder. In nanodecade K-step folder, SF input file is present. Right click and click on run. Again, go to the simulator, nanodecade, and go for the analysis. Here you can see electron density. Click on this and click on generate file. You can see our SCF input file for the boron in running condition and electron density dot input file in also in Q condition. Now it's completed. After the completion of boron nitride structure and boron structure only, now it's time to create only nitrogen structure. Again, copy the boron nitride structure. Go to the boron nitride structure, right click and click on copy and type N for nitrogen and click on OK. You can see it created boron nitride redefined nitrogen structure. Click on this. You can see above boron nitride redefined nitrogen structure. Now let's delete the boron structure. Control left click of the mouse. Control left click of the mouse and select all atoms and click on delete icon. You can see only nitrogen is present. In property section, you can see total number of atoms 4 and N4 only. Again, go to the simulator, nanodecade, SCF calculation, and exchange correlation will be GGA and K point sampling 8 for N1, same for the N2, 8, and N3 also be 8, and go with the default parameter, basis sets, and go with the no spin this time. Click on generate file. Right click and click on run option. Again, go to the simulator, nanodecade, and go to the analysis. And here you can see electron density. Click on this and click on generate file. You can see it created the electron density input file. Click on this, right click and click on run option. In the job manager, you can see condition and electron density input in Q condition. Let's see the result of boron nitride. You can see in nanodecade K-step folder, total electron density, right click and click on show view. For total boron nitride structure, you can see 3D model, 2D, and you can see inverted also, and same for the 1D also in YZ plane, XZ plane also. Same for boron structure also, total electron density, show view. You can see 3D, 2D, and average along Y, Z, and inverted. You can see XY plane, YZ plane, XZ plane. Total electron density for nitrogen also. Right click and click on show view. You can see 3D model, 2D, along Y, along Z, and inverted also, and one day structure. You can also save by clicking on this, and in multiple image format you can see. After the completion of all three structure, let's move to the inside this folder, boron structure. Right click, click open containing folder. Here you can see boron structure in nanodecay crystal folder. You can see nanodecay object file. First rename this. Right click and click on rename. Add B, add and copy MATLAB file. Right click, click on copy. Come in boron nitride structure, nanodecay crystal. Paste here. Go for the nitrogen. Rename this. Copy and paste in boron nitride structure. You can see nanodecay object for boron nitride structure and for nanodecay object modifier boron structure and nitrogen structure only. Let's open the MATLAB. In MATLAB, we basically find the differential charge. Let's open your project first. A project in D folder. Differential charge. Select folder. Go in boron nitride redefine. Nanodecay crystal. You can see nanodecay object material file of boron nitride structure, boron structure only, and nitrogen structure only. Let's see the data first. By double clicking, it load the nanodecay object material file in command window. Type object. You can see their parameters also. Atoms, atom formatted, calculated result, Nasty matrix, Hamiltonian matrix, and real space charge. If you type object dot real space charge, you can see real space charge parameters also. In the same way, you can also see the parameters for nanodecay object boron structure only. By double click, it load the your material file in command window. Type object, and you can see that it also for the boron structure only. To find the differential charge, let's create a script. Type this command in the script. First, basically, we load the nanodecay result with the nanodecay object mat file and assign a variable DOT where real space charge full structure. After that, same for the boron structure and same for the nitrogen structure, and calculate the difference and plot in the 2D. Let's save the script. Give the name like differential dot m. Click on save and click on run. The differential charge density. You can also save by clicking on this. You can also save your figure also in multiple image format. After finding the differential charge and the graph, if you want to animate the differential charge, create a new script and type these commands like MATLAB script to calculate, animate, and differential charge density of boron nitride, close all, clear all, and load the nanodecay object material file for the boron nitride structure. Same for the boron structure, nitrogen structure. Calculate differential charge density and for the 2D visualization and set up the animation and animate the control plot. After that, add label and titles and text annotation to show the progress. Reset the script Control S and give the name animate dot m. Go to the editor and click on run. You can see differential charge density of boron nitride. You can see frame also. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubt, ask in description box or you can also mail support@impacttechnology.in. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. And I also attach a PDF for the process. You can also follow